Bring your ideas to life with Sunlu PLA 3D printer filament 1.75mm in classic black. Designed for creators, makers, and professionals. This high-quality PLA filament delivers smooth, consistent prints every time. Engineered with precise dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, this filament ensures stable feeding and reliable extrusion, helping you achieve clean, detailed results with minimal stringing or clogging. The neatly wound 1 kilogram spool prevents tangles, so you can print confidently from start to finish. Compatible with most FDM 3D printers that use 1.75mm filament, Sunlu PLA is easy to work with, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Whether you are printing prototypes, functional parts, or creative projects, this filament provides strong layer adhesion and a smooth matte finish. Made from eco-friendly PLA material, it offers low odor printing and excellent performance for everyday use. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with Sunlu PLA 1.75mm black filament, available now on Amazon for just $13.99.